Is aggravated battery a felony or misdemeanor? Aggravated battery in Louisiana is a felony grade battery charge. It is more severe than second-degree battery and simple battery. What are the penalties for aggravated battery in Louisiana? Whoever commits an aggravated battery shall be fined not more than $5,000, imprisoned with or without hard labor for not more than 10 years, or both. Can I get probation if I'm convicted of aggravated battery in Louisiana? Yes. Aggravated battery is a charge in which the defendant can receive probation. In the judge's discretion, he or she may sentence the defendant up to 10 years in prison, suspend the sentence or part of it, and place the defendant on probation. The judge may order the defendant to complete certain conditions of probation as well. The conditions may include paying a fine and court cost, performing community service, paying restitution to the victim, attending classes, etc. What constitutes aggravated battery in Louisiana? Aggravated battery is a battery committed with a dangerous weapon. For instance, aggravated battery occurs when the offender uses a baseball bat, a car, crowbar, brass knuckles, etc. If the defendant commits a battery using a gun or knife, he'll most likely get charged with attempted murder. Sometimes using a vehicle can lead to attempted murder charges as well. Is aggravated battery a crime of violence? Yes. Aggravated battery is a crime of violence in Louisiana. Now this is important because if the defendant is sentenced to prison time, he must complete 85% of his sentence. Also, a defendant cannot receive a deferred sentence under Article 893 if the conviction is a crime of violence. What are the defenses to aggravated battery? There are various defenses to aggravated battery. There are two most common defenses. First, the defendant may assert that the aggravated battery occurred but was in self-defense. In Louisiana, you can use force against another person if that force is reasonable to protect you or someone else. Second, the defendant can argue that the battery never occurred. With aggravated battery, there doesn't have to be any proof that the victim got hurt, just that he received a battery with a dangerous weapon. How do I handle a warrant for aggravated battery? You will likely have to turn yourself in on the warrant for aggravated battery. Since it is a felony offense, you'll need to be booked and a bail amount set by the judge. Contact a criminal lawyer to help advise you prior to turning yourself in. Can the victim file a lawsuit against me for aggravated battery? Yes. The victim can file a lawsuit against you for civil battery damages. Now this is a separate and different court case altogether. If you get served with a petition for damages, contact a lawyer as soon as possible to help you file an answer. Can aggravated battery be removed from my criminal record in Louisiana? The process of removing an arrest or conviction from an individual's criminal record is called an expungement. The defendant must file a motion to expunge the record to remove the entry. Historically, aggravated battery convictions could not be expunged. However, new law has now provided a means to expunge an aggravated battery conviction if certain requirements are met. How do I hire a lawyer for aggravated battery? If you need a lawyer for aggravated battery in Louisiana, I may be able to help you. I'm a criminal defense attorney in Baton Rouge who has defended many clients charged with aggravated battery for over 14 years. Feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to help.